Diligo Holdings, kindness from the heart. The leading prestigious company manufactures, processes, distributes and exports consumer goods in Vietnam. Being established in 2006, Diligo Holdings has continuously developed and gradually dominated the market. It is present in 63 provinces and cities of Vietnam via the channels of supermarkets, retail systems, agents, grocery stores and pharmacies. Our company is verified with 5 stars and regularly exports products to Amazon to serve American consumers. At the same time, Diligo is a reliable processing and export partner of consumer goods of Japan, Korea, America, Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Annually, Diligo Holdings supplies billions of products to domestic and international markets with healthcare, personal care and convenience consumer products. With a system of GMP-qualified factories on an area of 15,000 square meters, investment in modern machinery lines, and a team of experts and highly professional workers, Diligo Holdings always strives to bring consumers in Vietnam and the world good products for health, preserving the human identity value. Lipso, unlock the power of smiles, specializes in dental products such as toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, dental. Neva, True Happiness specializes in personal care products that are made from 100% natural cotton and non-woven fabrics such as cotton buds, makeup remover cotton, medical cotton, cotton towels, wet wipes, socks, face masks, etc. DRSI brand specializes in consumables and medical products, face masks, protective gear, face shields. To boost the export in 2023, Diligo undertakes to comply with manufacturing safety and quality standards, and regularly researches and improves products to meet customers' demands better. With certificates related to product quality such as ISO, FDA, CE, etc., Diligo is always ready to serve global partners. Please visit diligo.vn or contact hotline 0948.18.28.38 to DORC Diligo Holdings to receive rapid 24/7 advice and support from Diligo Holdings. Diligo Holdings, kindness from the heart.